Withdrawing your earnings from Shutterstock to your Payoneer account is simple and easy to set up. Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Shutterstock contributor account to Payoneer account so that you can receive your earnings automatically. If you're not familiar with Shutterstock, it's an online marketplace where you can sell your content, including photos, 3D models, vectors, illustrations, videos, and templates. If you're curious about becoming a contributor on Shutterstock, check out the tutorial on my YouTube channel, Facebook, or TikTok. Ready? Let's get started linking your Payoneer account to Shutterstock. Hit like, follow, or subscribe button. First, log into your Shutterstock contributor account. In the bottom left corner of the home page, click Account. Then choose Account Settings. On the Account Settings page, click the Edit button in the top right. Next, click Verify My Email. Shutterstock will send a code to your email. Go to your email. Open that email from Shutterstock. Copy the code you received. Then go back to Shutterstock. Paste the code into the field. And click Verify. Now scroll down to Payout Information to add Payoneer as your payout method. In the Payout Information section, you'll find the Payout Method option. Click here. From the drop-down menu, you'll find the payout options, Payoneer, PayPal, or Skrill. This guide covers Payoneer, so choose Payoneer. For the payout email field, leave it as is. Only change this if you're selecting PayPal. Then enter your PayPal email. In the minimum payout field, enter the amount at which you want Shutterstock to auto-pay you. Once your balance reaches that amount, the withdrawal will be processed automatically. It must be at least $25, so set it to $25 or higher. When ready, click Connect Account to link Payoneer and complete the setup. This will take you to the Payoneer login page. Enter the Payoneer login info you want linked to your Shutterstock account and click Sign In. If you see the confirmation page, the accounts are linked successfully. If prompted, answer any Payoneer security questions and click Submit. Payoneer may send a verification email. Go to your email. Open that email. At the bottom of the email, click the Yes, Allow It button. A tab will open to verify the login. In the Payoneer Login tab, the login flow will continue. You might be redirected back to the sign-in page or to a confirmation page. In either case, the accounts will be linked. To verify in Shutterstock, return to your Shutterstock contributor account. Click Account in the bottom left corner of the home page. Then choose Account Settings. Click the Edit button in the top right. Now scroll down to Payout Information. You will find the Payoneer account connected. In Payout Method, Payoneer will be selected, and will show your Payoneer email here. For the Payout email field, leave it as is when you choose Payoneer as your payout method. If you want to verify the link in Payoneer, log into your Payoneer account. From the home page, click Manage on the left. Next, click Businesses you work with. Then select Companies you work with. You should see your Shutterstock account listed there. That's it. Your Payoneer account is now linked and ready to receive Shutterstock payouts. Once your balance reaches the minimum payout amount you set, the withdrawal will be processed automatically. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like, follow, or subscribe button, and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear which topics interest you most. Feel free to share this video with anyone who could benefit from Shutterstock or selling content on it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.